Hey, welcome to our video to explain to you that budgeting is a fundamental financial tool that helps individuals take control of their money, allocate resources wisely, and achieve their financial goals. Whether you're looking to save for a major purchase, pay off debt, or build an emergency fund, budgeting provides the roadmap for success. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the key principles and strategies to help you master the art of budgeting. 1. Assess your income and expenses. Start by evaluating your income sources and determining your monthly take-home pay. Next, track your expenses for a few months to gain a clear understanding of where your money is going. Categorize your expenses into fixed, rent, utilities, and variable, groceries, entertainment, to identify areas for potential savings. 2. Set financial goals. Establishing clear financial goals is crucial for effective budgeting. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or going on a vacation, defining your objectives will provide motivation and guide your budgeting decisions. Set specific measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals to stay focused and track your progress. 3. Create a realistic budget. Based on your income and expenses, create a realistic budget that aligns with your financial goals. Allocate a portion of your income to essential needs, such as housing, utilities, and transportation. Then, assign funds to savings, debt repayment, and discretionary spending. Ensure that your budget allows for flexibility and covers unexpected expenses. 4. Track and monitor your spending. Budgeting is an ongoing process that requires active monitoring. Keep track of your expenses regularly and compare them to your budgeted amounts. Utilize budgeting tools or smartphone apps to simplify the process and gain insights into your spending patterns. Adjust your budget as needed to stay on track. 5. Prioritize saving. Saving should be a top priority in your budget. Allocate a portion of your income to build an emergency fund, which acts as a safety net for unexpected expenses. Additionally, set aside funds for long-term goals such as retirement or a down payment on a house. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers to separate accounts. 6. Reduce debt. If you have debt, incorporate debt repayment into your budget. Prioritize high-interest debts and consider strategies like the snowball or avalanche method. Make consistent payments to reduce your debt burden and free up more money for savings and other financial goals. 7. Be mindful of discretionary spending. Discretionary expenses, such as dining out, entertainment, and shopping, can quickly derail your budget. Exercise discipline by setting limits on these categories and finding cost-effective alternatives. Look for free or low-cost activities and explore creative ways to enjoy life without overspending. 7. Regularly review and adjust your budget. Life circumstances change, and your budget should adapt accordingly. Regularly review your budget to account for fluctuations in income, changes in expenses, or shifts in financial goals. Make adjustments as needed to ensure that your budget remains relevant and effective. In conclusion, budgeting is a powerful tool that empowers you to take control of your finances and make informed financial decisions. By following these principles and strategies, you can create a budget that aligns with your goals, helps you save, and brings financial peace of mind. Remember, budgeting is a dynamic process that requires commitment and flexibility. With practice and perseverance, you'll develop healthy financial habits and achieve greater financial stability. And finally, I hope you like my video and find it helpful. Thank you for your